Today you're going to think about all the dogs we read about in My Life in Dog Years and write a compare-contrast paper about 2 of the dogs. I want you to think for a few seconds about which one of Paulson's dogs you would want to have the most as a pet and the one you would like to have the least. Today, you are going to take everything we have learned about the writing process, planning on a graphic organizer, drafting from your graphic organizer, checklist, and revising and editing to compare-contrast a paper about 2 of Gary Paulson's dogs. Remember when you wrote a compare-contrast paper about Thomas Jefferson and John Adams, you had to tell what each topic had in common and what was different about each topic. With this writing, you will do that first, and then you will tell which one you would want for a pet and which one you would not, and explain your choice. Usually I spend a chunk of our writing time showing you something new I want you to do in writing. Today I want to give you as much time as possible to write this paper. Think of the similarities and differences between the dogs that you have chosen. I want you to work quickly but thoughtfully.